Now we are leaving the 60 meters of the waterfall back to town. So now I would like to show you the path that they came along. Now they are going back on the same path in the jungle. You see the beautiful scenery inside here. Awesome. You see squirrel? Squirrel? The squirrel, like...
No.
No?
Oops.